Hello and welcome to another training video for the residence trainer. In this one we're going to be go ahead and taking a look at the tuba one, and we're going to be taking a look at a quick start, how to get started on this blue tube. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to cover up the three little holes right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make it to where there's virtually no resistance on the mouthpiece. So you're going to be using a massive amount of air, which means you're going to have to use your diaphragm much more than you used to. So yes, it's going to feel like you're overblowing, but once you put the mouthpiece on the instrument's not going to allow you to do that. So the idea is get the diaphragm working more effectively. So this is more of a diaphragm exercise to get the air moving. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go F concert, E natural, F concert, then F concert, E flat, back to F. Okay, we'll do it in half notes because that's about as much air as you're going to be able to take in and to expel to get all the way through that phrase. Okay, and then you can go on through the series to the bottom. Here's what it'll sound like. Okay, lots of air. You're running out of air very fast, but it's going to get the air moving. It's going to get them students to understand what it is they have to do to make the instrument work and sound the way it's supposed to. All right, thank you very much today for joining us in this video.